Hello my friends, you're out on Touch Not Trail, and I'd just like to show you something here. I pulled over the side of the trail here, you might say, because I noticed something and I just had to stop. Oh, these beautiful colors here. So the autumn, what I would call the pageant in New England, really starts on the ground. This is largely a oak forest anyway, so there are some maples also, but not large ones very much. At any rate, so there's such a beautiful color pattern happening virtually on the ground. This is what we would call a ground cover, you know. It's an evergreen, which you might usually think of this like a white pine evergreen, right? But there are plants also, this is the one I'm talking about, that stay green all winter yet don't have needles, or they're not pine trees, but they are evergreen nonetheless. At any rate, this is also some type of a berry thing. It looks like raspberry, but strawberry a little bit, but it's, at any rate, that one adds some color. Also gets its modeling. This is a small, looks like a cherry of some type. The goldenrod is still golden. Look at the color on these. And right across, you know, right in the edge of the trail here is where we are. The raspberries here. Here's a maple. It's starting to get, I don't know what to call that. It's a strange yellow, some colors that I've never seen before, and it's just a fine, happy result on the Touch Not Trail. Oh, look at those colors. Beautiful stuff. Yes, raspberries. They chime in the symphony of colors. Oh, this is a beautiful little piece here. This is that same, what I called evergreen plant. I don't know its name right offhand, my friends. Perhaps you do, but if you do, put it in the comments if you don't mind. Thanks. Perhaps I'll look it up as well. But it's just so beautiful. Here's a raspberry. You know, some of it might look like it's dying, and others as green as June. And then some parts look almost diseased or this or that. It's just part of the beautiful pattern of nature, my friends. Oh my goodness. I hope you enjoy this as much as I do. I just made a short thing on the trail, walking down the trail about, I'll be here only about another month. Actually less, I think, and then I'll be going back to my home studio for the winter and hopefully take hikes from that location to some trails that you've seen me on as well out there. So Touch Not's heading south to, not too far south, only like about 2 hours, and please stay with us for that. Look at these colors, oh my gosh. Please subscribe, my friends. Touch Not.